Going guys, today I'm doing a coil pack change on a 2008 WRX. I want to start by taking this cover off. It's just a screw, a little plastic screw, and pull. Comes right off. Next thing you want to do is take your battery off, 10 mil, 10 mil, pop those guys off. Once you got that guy out and the battery plate taken out, we're going to have to take this air pump out. 10 mil, 10 mil, and can't quite see it there, 10 mil. Once those 3 bolts are out, you're going to want to take a pair of pliers, put them on that clamp right there, squeeze, twist till that comes off of there, and this guy's just going to pick right up out of there. Quick side note, you can do it after or before, but you do want to undo your clip for the air pump, which is right here, just to press the back side of it, and this clip right here with a little bit of wiggling slides right out. Once you got that guy out of there, you need to get the air pump hose out. 10 mil bolt there. You don't need to worry about taking it out back there, you just need to take the 10 mil bolt out and lift it. I myself just lifted this harness back a bit and tucked it between this and the oil cap. It was right out of my way. Once that's up out of your way, you have access to this coil pack and you have access to that coil pack. If you want to, you can move this guy up even further. Just make sure you stick a little piece of plastic. I haven't gotten that far yet. Just in here, keep some of the debris out. Undo the coil itself. You just depress the back side of the clip and it pops right off. Just like that. So after that, 12 mil bolt. That guy comes out. Back here, 12 mil bolt. Clip comes off the same way. Once you get it loose, rotate it 180 degrees completely upside down, and then it'll be able to clear the frame to come out. And once they're both out, it should look a little something like that. 1, 2. At this point, you can change your spark plugs. You're this far, you might as well. I did it yesterday. You're going to want to have at least one U-joint, one short extension, one longer extension, possibly a second swivel joint, and this guy here I just moved out of the way when I took him out. That's me a little stiff today. There we go. Just to give myself a little bit more clearance, get a 5/8 spark plug wrench, stick it in there, put your small extension on it, put your swivel on it, put another extension on it to get it up out of the bay a bit, and if you want to go a step further, put another swivel on it so you can just ratchet this way and turn that way in there. Take it out, change your spark plug, put it back in. I'd suggest trying to use a socket that's not a spark plug socket to put them back in, just simply for the fact it's quite a pain in the ass where these are located to get the rubber grommet off the top of the spark plug if you go that route with it, putting it back in. Then once you got that done, if you're not changing your coils, just put them back in. If you are changing your coils, might as well change them now. And it's all just reverse process from here to put everything back together. Just a side note, I'm changing the coil because I had a misfire on number 4. I went and bought spark plugs because I was thinking the car's a little older. It's probably the plugs. I changed the plugs and I took the coil from back there, put it up here, and vice versa. Check engine light came on, read the code, misfire on cylinder 2, so it means the coil was changed and the misfire changed cylinders, hence changing the coil. Just a little bit of diagnosis for you. Anyways, hope this helps you. Enjoy it.